at Atlantic City Steel Pier. High tide is at 11:20 p.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 5:34 p.m. Wednesday. High tide is at 11:44 p.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 6:06 a.m. Thursday. At Sandy Hook, high tide is at 11:53 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 6:04 p.m. Wednesday. High tide is at 12:12 a.m. Thursday. Low tide is at 6:20.
This is a manual test and no weather warning device. Very potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers cannot be activated by the signal to warn the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast will vary at any given location. If severe weather is expected, tests will be postponed until the next good weather day.
Storms. No worry. Chance of rain 40%. New Jersey. Station